Hi, this is Oren from Oren's Cooking, and tonight I made just a simple chocolate chip cookie, delicious and gooey for everyone to have. So first thing we're going to put is 1/2 of plain flour. Then we're going to add some 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a dash or spoon of vanilla extract. Now 100 grams of melted butter. And we're gonna add in our eggs. 2 eggs. 1, 2. We're gonna add in our chocolate chips. I have 200 grams of chocolate chip, and all I'm done now is just to mix it up. Now you have to mix it up quite quickly because you don't want your eggs to cook with the hot butter. Alright, now that I made my mixture, my dough mixture, I just took some parchment paper, I cut it up. I'm not a professional cutter or anything. And all I do is wet my hands, as you see. Take a little bit, not a lot, because it has tendency to expand quite a lot. And just space them out, just one by one. So as you see, my cookies are not perfectly shaped, they're not perfectly round. It's because they're gonna flatten in the oven and they're gonna grow to their own shapes. So I'm going to put it in the oven for 180 degrees, so 360 Fahrenheit, and I'm going to put it for between 20 to 30 minutes, and I'll show you once I'm done.